In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link text in Squarespace. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to turn any piece of text on your site into a clickable link, whether it points to another page, an external website, or another resource. We'll keep it simple, clear, and quick. First, open your Squarespace site and head to your website view. From there, enter editing mode by clicking Edit. This switches your page into a state where you can make changes to content blocks. If you're not already on the page that contains the text you want to link, navigate to that page and then click Edit so you're working right where the text lives. Next, click into the text block that contains the words you want to turn into a link. You should see your cursor appear, and basic formatting tools will be available. If you don't see a text block yet, make sure you're clicking directly on the text area, not on an image or another type of block. Now, highlight the exact text you want linked. As soon as you highlight, a small context menu or formatting toolbar will appear. This is where you control things like bold, italics, alignment, and most importantly for this task, your link settings. With the text still highlighted, click the link icon in that toolbar. This opens the link settings panel. Choose the type of link you want. For a standard web address, select URL, then paste or type the full address, including the HTTPS portion, to ensure the link works correctly. Keep your link text concise and descriptive so visitors understand where they're going. If the link points to a page within your site, you can choose that page from the available options instead of typing a URL. The same panel typically supports other link types, like email or phone, but a regular URL is the most common choice. After entering the link, confirm your changes in the panel. Your highlighted text is now an active link. You'll see it styled accordingly inside the editor. If you want to double-check, hover over it in edit mode or preview the page to make sure it goes exactly where you expect. That's all there is to it. Click Website, click Edit, select and highlight your text, use the link icon, choose URL or your preferred link type, enter the address, and you're done. When you're satisfied, exit editing to keep your changes. With this simple workflow, you can guide visitors to the right pages, resources, and external sites in just a few clicks.